Hey everybody, Matt Cleveland here from the Gates Corporation. I'd like to introduce you to a new product for the heavy duty market, the FleetRunner Heavy Duty Serpentine Kits. These kits contain a FleetRunner belt, heavy duty automatic belt tensioner, drive-align idler pulleys, installation hardware where applicable, and instructions. All of this combined into a single box with application-specific part number. By combining these components into a single kit, Gates is helping you control your inventory while servicing the ABDS system as it was designed to be. This system replacement model ensures the least amount of comeback risk. As much as we know about the ABDS system, we need to remind ourselves that these are components designed to wear as a system. So if it's time to replace your tensioner, it's also time to replace your idler pulleys and belts. If you remove it, replace it. These kits put all the necessary parts in front of technicians for a complete repair at one time. No waiting for parts to show up, and no returning the wrong parts. When it comes to maintenance on your fleet, don't second guess the repair. Service it as a system with the Gates FleetRunner Heavy Duty Serpentine Kits. For more information, visit gates.com.